Okay, let's have a look at what we've got. I'm just going to quickly point you at this day trading chart. It's the 5-minute ES chart with the day trading levels overlaid. There's that move down last night, complete 5 waves for the A wave down, I believe. And we pretty much caught, almost top ticked this yesterday, left half on, having taken half off for 5 points before the close, and closed out last night. I did put a post in the forum when I did so. So I closed out at 28.50 and missed the last little bit here. But this, I expected then that we'd get a rebound. That was a very complete 5-wave move down. But where we are this morning, I think this move up is only the A wave probably of this B. And if you look now, we are just coming down towards this zone here. So pre-market, if we come down 28.49.50 area, then that's worth a long. I'd let it just come off the fib because I think we are going up into this region here. Now bear in mind that from this point here, so all of this and this has not yet been seen in the cash market as yet. Okay, so it wouldn't surprise me if we come down here, open somewhere in this region. That would give us a gap down in the cash market, allow it to make its low. We could see again this double bottom at the blue line in the ES while the cash gets down to the same level, but then I'd expect this. Okay, and in this region, providing we have a corrective pattern, not an impulsive pattern into it, and I want to see it hit and come off a fib to give us a stop to work with, then short this and work off the hourly chart then for the target, which I'll work my way up this morning, shall I? Hourly chart for the target here is for all of the two between 28.90. I would be surprised if we came that low. I'm thinking 28.30 to 38, and then if that hits and holds, that's me. Everything else I want to the long side, I'll be going with the futures. I'll be using SSO, and I will be buying end of month October 29.50 probably calls on the index. So quite cheap because they're quite a long way out of the money, but that's one of those trades that can make you, 10-15 times your money. So you don't need to go mad with the premium in terms of the amount of money that you place on that. So that's all pretty good and working out according to plan this morning. Just coming up the time scales. So off last week's low, there's that very, very full 5 waves up into yesterday's high. One here, A, B, C, there's the 2 at last week's low, there's the 5 up into the high, right into our target region that we had on the charts yesterday. And as I say, we pretty much managed to top ticket late in the day with the trade, gave us 20 points, and then just waiting for the next setup this morning to get the rest of the move down to 28.30. If I come up and look at the daily chart, which is where we normally start, you can see what we're expecting next. So small pullback, then we're going to take this line out, and the minimum, absolute minimum from there, 3015, and I think we're going to 3122 next in the S&P 500. Personally, I think we're going to shoot straight past 3000. We might sort of bump around getting through it, but I don't think we're going to get much of a pullback from it. I think we're going to extend straight through it. So that's what I'm looking at in the ES this morning. I'll just flip that back to the 5-minute chart before the open.